Hello guys, I'm back with another video, and this time I'll be discussing about this crazy bug due to which the iPhone loses its calibration of battery, and due to this reason the iPhone shows wrong battery percentage, and a lot of people are reporting this issue. Hence I thought that I should make a video to explain why is this happening and what can be done to remedify this problem. So of course first you need to go to the settings, and first we'll be checking the battery health because this is the first thing you need to check. Hence my battery health is 100%. You need to click on learn more to just to show you that why is this happening. This issue is more prone to the older models, but as you can see from the iPhone documents released by the Apple, iPhone 8 and the later versions, they have more advanced hardware and software, so they are lesser prone. But still this can happen due to bugs in software and firmware updates. So let's move on to another post by Apple. So recently they claimed that there is a battery calibration issue that has occurred in iOS 14.4, but now on 14.5 they had remedied it. Clear solution is to update your iOS, update it to 14.5 or 14.6, so that you get over this bug, because this bug came in 14.4. So you need to run your phone in iOS 14.5 or 14.6. This is the first remedy that you can do. Now the second remedy is that you can clear the memory. This is done by holding the power button and then clicking on cancel. Like this method you can of course clear the RAM and clear the caches, so hence you can recalibrate the battery. Now if you move on to another solution, well, that another solution would be to soft reset your phone. For that you need to press and hold the power button and the home button, and you need to press and hold it for like 60 seconds, so that your phone restarts itself, and once you see the Apple logo, just release the buttons so that your phone gets soft reset. But guys, I've seen issues where the battery won't get calibrated even if you do this remedy. So the final remedy you have is to factory reset your phone and reset your phone and start it with new configurations and new settings. This is the last resort. So thank you guys, thanks for watching. Likes, share and subscribe, and don't forget to subscribe for more such content. Take care.